If you're looking to upload files to GitHub, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you all the steps you need to know, so follow me. So to begin uploading your files, you can upload them to a new repository or you can use an existing repository. So I've got an existing repository right over here, and you're going to just open it up, and right at the top here it says add file. Now you have a few things. You can click on create new file, and this will allow you to add the contents of your file right over here, give it a name, and then commit the changes. But what we're going to do here is go again into add file, and we're going to upload files. Now in here you'll see it says choose your files, and here you can upload single files or you can upload full projects. So I'm going to just click down, drag over all of these items, click on open, and these files are now being added to this specific repository. You can see now they've been uploaded. You're going to click on commit changes right at the bottom of the page. This will take a few seconds depending on how many files are being uploaded as well as how big they are, and you can see now they are here and you are complete.